Hello and welcome to Icons of the UAE. Today on the episode, we get to crack the real estate code of one of the most sought after locations in the world, and that's UAE. Our guest on the show today is a prominent figure in chartered accountancy, and he, with his fine business acumen and financial expertise, is now known as the Mughal of Marjan Islands here in the UAE. How did he do this? Let's find out in today's episode. Please welcome the CEO and founder of Bricks & Woods, Mr. Ankur Agarwal.
Being a chartered accountant, I am very much confident with numbers and I know how to give the maximum returns to my investors. My mother, she supported me in pursuing my academic career. In 2011, I qualified as chartered accountant. मेरा एक ही सपना था लाइफ में कि मुझे कभी भी जॉब नहीं करना है. I decided that I will take my practicing career to Dubai. It was never in my mind that I will come into the real estate business. So we started that journey with Bricks & Woods. At that time, my capital was zero. Now I am representing 350 people in my office. In my journey, I met Vivek. So एक और एक 11 वाली बात हुई. We started representing this Bricks & Woods as the top 10 company in the UAE. From zero to an empire of 13 billion dirham, we made it in 2 years. Very soon you will see a lot of development from Bricks & Woods.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Shruti, for having me here.
So first question, take us through your journey.
I'm born and brought up in Delhi only. So my young days, my childhood days were very tough. I lost my father when I was very young, like 8 years old. So it was very tough for me, but my mother, she's a very brave lady. She supported me in pursuing my academic career. Academically, I was very strong. So fortunately, I stepped into the chartered accountancy course thanks to my bhaiya, who was my mentor at that time. He told me that this is the best career you can pursue. And for a middle class person, chartered accountancy was easy to do that. So I started my career with chartered accountancy. And in 2011, I qualified as chartered accountant. So my career was very good and I was very happy. But after 3 years, I decided that कुछ अलग करना है, अब यहाँ से आगे जाना है हमको. I decided that I will take my practicing career to Dubai. So I came to Dubai and I started जब मैं दुबई में आया तो I was like blank, मैं किसी को नहीं जानता था. I was like alone here. But I find some good friends here who helped me out. It was never in my mind that I will come into the real estate business. But in late 2020, so I got some recognition from some real estate experts here, and they told me that you have very decent contacts, you can do that thing, or like you can have, I don't know, but like what they were looking in me, but they were very inspired through how I represent the things. So that was a very unique thing which I could have done for them. So they told me कि तुम real estate में आ सकते हो. In April 2021, I decided that I will open up my company. So my wife, she's a lyricist, so she gave me that name, Bricks & Woods. So we started that journey with Bricks & Woods. In that year itself, I got the trophy from Sobha Realty for being the #1 broker in Dubai. So we cracked almost 353 million sales deal in a span of 5 months only.
Wow.
So that was crazy at that time. So how I made that happen is just because being a chartered accountant, I am very much confident with numbers and I know how to give the maximum returns to my investors. If I'm able to do that in my way, so I don't care for the investors right now because I'm nowhere going and looking to find new investors. Investors are coming to us. People are coming to us because they know that we can deliver. So from zero to an empire of 13 billion dirham, we made it in 2 years only. and the plans are very big, and we are getting support from a lot of family offices like the big investor house and so many people who are looking after us. And definitely I would like to put an extra zero on that 13 billion dirham. So let's see how it will goes.
So as you said that, now you have a lot of investors. In 2 years, the company has grown a lot. But that first brick that you put is also very, very important. Starting and entering into a market which is very, very competitive. What did you do differently or identify that this is the place which is going to be my area?
Shruti, I told you that I created a deal in the Sobha itself.
How did you do that?
So that was my idea actually, because they were struggling with the new investors, because the COVID has just finished that and nobody was investing in Dubai at that time. And there was a piece of land which we identified, and we created a different kind of underwriting model wherein developer was more happier than the investor.
Okay.
So we created that model, and छोटे से पैसे से भी हम बड़ा डेवलपमेंट कैसे कर सकते हैं उसका आइडिया मेरे पास है, मैं जानता हूँ. हमने दुबई में लोगों को इन्वेस्ट करवाया इस बेसिस पे कि उनकी इक्विटी भी सिक्योर्ड है और उनकी प्रॉफिट भी सिक्योर्ड है. सो सबसे पहला काम होता है अपने इन्वेस्टर का, क्लाइंट का विश्वास जीतना. If he will put faith in you, if he is more comfortable with you, then he don't care about the profits. Profits तो फिर आते ही हैं, बट सबसे पहला काम होता है कि आपको अपने इन्वेस्टर को रिलैक्स करना. उसको ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर मेरा पैसा ब्रिक्स एंड वुड्स के साथ है तो मैं 100% सिक्योर्ड हूँ. बिकॉज देर आर नाउ 2 चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स एंड एक्टर विवेक ओबराय, who like we now we all 3 are working together. Okay, so they have an umbrella of trust and integrity. So that's why. So as I told you, अभी हम investors को follow नहीं करते हैं, investors bricks and woods को follow करते हैं.
We want to know more about your partners, but after a short break. We'll take a quick break and be back on Icons of the UAE. Welcome back after the break. This is Icons of the UAE. So before going into the break, you were talking about your partners. And you have Vivek Oberoi and Amit Garg working with you. Tell us about your partners.
So Amit Garg is also a chartered accountant. Is like more experienced than me, 10 years more experienced than me. He qualified in 2002, and likewise me, he was also a practitioner in Delhi itself. So we met in Delhi. So later on, the deal which I was talking about, the Sobha. So Amit was the main guy who was behind that deal. So we did that deal together actually. Later on we decided, okay, let's do it in a partnership model. साथ में करते हैं तो कुछ बड़ा करते हैं. When Amit joined me, we started representing this bricks and woods as the top 10 company in the UAE. हमने उस स्केल पे काम करना शुरू किया. So 1 और 1 11 वाली बात हुई. Later on in my journey, I met Vivek. My God, what kind, like you cannot imagine how much energy Vivek has got, and he is the the bhandar of the knowledge. Like if you will give him one topic, he can speak like 5 hours on that topic. So I was very shocked. Being an actor, like, oh my God, what kind of energy he's having. So Vivek and I met, and then we decided कि ठीक है कुछ करते हैं साथ में ना. कुछ ही समय के बाद we decided that ठीक है, let's do it as a partnership model, because Vivek was very comfortable with me, and he is more happier to be the partner of the bricks and woods rather than just a like a support system of the bricks and woods. So together we are now doing marvelous. अब एक और 11 नहीं है, अब 101 है. So together we are 101. So Amit, as I told you, he is more experienced than me. So I used to call him the Chanakya of the financial sector. If you will give him again a topic in the financial system, he will take some time and he will give you some very mind-blowing ideas out of it. So Amit is looking more looking after the financial system of our company, and Vivek is being a known face. He is acceptable to all. Like if anybody will meet Vivek, he will treat him like he's a family member. Okay, because उसको लगता है कि ठीक है, मैं तो सालों से विवेक को जानता हूँ. तो Vivek is like he is known to everyone. So Vivek is the PR face of our company, I will rather say. मतलब like if you want to meet anyone, you can just ask him. That's it, and your work will be done. So this is the kind of support which we are having. So it's a very unique blend kind of a thing. इसमें like we are mixing so many things. So
So taking a cue from what you just said, where do you see potential in the UAE?
See, UAE is a very unique market. There is a potential everywhere actually. If you can see that the prices can go more higher than the downtown in the desert area, so you can see the potential anywhere. So it's about your vision and perception where you wants to grow. It can be anywhere. मार्केट कहीं पे भी ग्रो किया जा सकता है, डेजर्ट में भी ग्रो किया जा सकता है, डाउनटाउन में भी ग्रो किया जा सकता है. तो ब्रिक्स एंड वुड्स दोनों जगह काम कर रहा है एंड वेरी सून यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट फ्रॉम ब्रिक्स एंड वुड्स.
Fantastic. So any diversification that you're thinking about with the company?
Diversification is like definitely we will be doing so many new ventures in the same name, B&W. It's not only bricks and woods, it's B&W. So right now we are having a music channel, B&W Entertainment. My wife is a lyricist, so she used to write songs and she's a producer now. So B&W Entertainment is one of our venture. We are coming up with B&W vacation homes and holiday homes, like an Airbnb kind of a system. We are creating our own IT company in the name of B&W again, wherein we shall be providing full-fledged solutions. See, my idea is to integrate all the brokers, not in the UAE, across this globe. दुनिया के जितने brokers हैं उनको integrate करने का एक vision है मेरा. अगर being a developer, if you want to find a right channel wherein you can demonstrate your product, तो एक प्लेटफॉर्म हम ऐसा देंगे जिसमें कि आप सिर्फ वो देंगे तो it will be spread across the all broker network in the world. So ये एक मेरा विजन है. Again it will be again in the name of B&W. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, अभी वक्त बहुत कम है और काम बहुत करना है.
So as you said, that vision and execution are the two important things for rapid growth. You are hiring a lot of people. You need to delegate. What do you look in people when you are hiring them?
See, when I hire people, I only look to hire those people who are more expensive than the other people.
Huh?
हाँ, ये मेरा विजन है. Yes, मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि अगर आप एक जॉब के लिए 10,000 दिरहम का एम्प्लॉय रखते हैं और उसी जॉब के लिए आप अगर कोई 25,000 दिरहम का एम्प्लॉय रखते हैं, तो 25,000 दिरहम का एम्प्लॉय आपको 10 टाइम्स कमा के देगा और 10,000 दिरहम वाला एम्प्लॉय आप उसकी 10,000 दिरहम की वैल्यू को भी खो देगा. सो ऑलवेज हायर एक्सपेंसिव पीपल, मोर एक्सपीरियंस्ड पीपल. सो ब्रिक्स एंड वुड्स इज नोन फॉर दैट.
Okay.
Yeah, so I always looking for people who are actually they know their value. उन्हें पता है कि मैं महंगा हूँ. Okay, if you will hire me, I will ask you like salary in billions. Okay, of course, definitely you will not be giving me that salary, but मेरे को अपनी वैल्यू बिलियंस में चाहिए. तो मुझे वही लोग चाहिए जिनको अपनी वैल्यू पता है. मुझे वो लोग नहीं चाहिए जो लोग अपनी वैल्यू की तलाश कर रहे हैं. So I don't want to waste my time on training people. I want to invest my time with those people who have actually accomplished in their life and they are looking for a job in which they can spend their whole life.
Wow.
This is my idea. मुझे ऐसा, अगर मेरा ड्राइवर मेरे साथ है तो मैं चाहूँगा कि मेरा ड्राइवर तब तक मेरे साथ रहे जब तक मेरे पास गाड़ी है. मेरी ऐसी सोच है. अगर आपको किसी को परखना हो कि वो इंसान कैसा है तो हमेशा ये देखिए कि उसके दोस्त कितने पुराने हैं और उसके एम्प्लॉयज़ कितने पुराने हैं.
So loyalty as well. वैसे हम भी जानना चाहेंगे कि आपके दोस्त कितने पुराने हैं और एम्प्लॉयज़ कितने पुराने हैं. But after a short break, we'll take a quick break and be back on Icons of the UAE. Welcome back after the break. This is Icons of the UAE. So tell me sir, आपके दोस्त कितने पुराने हैं और एम्प्लॉयज़ कितने पुराने हैं?
Okay, so I'm 36 years old and the friend which I'm having, I'm very lucky and fortunate. जो मेरा सबसे पुराना दोस्त है, he is also 36 years old and हमारी दोस्ती 31 years old है. 31 साल पुरानी दोस्ती है. तो he is my friend when I was 5 years old. Okay. So and fortunately he was working with me. He is in UAE, Dubai, and he is still working. He's working with me in my office. And talking about the employees, जो मेरा सबसे पुराना एम्प्लॉई है वो उस दिन उसने मुझे ज्वाइन किया था. ही इज़ इन इंडिया राइट नाउ. जिस दिन मैंने अपनी प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट की थी, तो उससे पुराना एम्प्लॉई मेरे पास हो भी नहीं सकता था. तो राइट नाउ स्टिल ही इज़ विद मी. सो जितने पुराने दोस्त हो सकते थे या जितने पुराने एम्प्लॉय हो सकते थे वो मेरे पास हैं. सो आई एम वेरी लकी.
Well, you basically practice what you preach.
I am trying to.
Okay, now tell me about your entertainment industry connections. Like, how do you know all of these people?
So basically, Dubai is a place wherein you will find, lot of Bollywood people and people from entertainment industry traveling here, doing some shooting and all stuff here. So they, due to our connections and all these things, they oftenly visit our office, and it's a system like wherein you came to know one guy and then another, it goes on like that. So एक से जुड़ के एक लोग ऐसे हैं हमारे पास, and through Vivek, of course, I know so many people in the entertainment industry itself.
Okay, we have spoken a lot about your business. What do you do in free time?
Okay, so Shruti, ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए अजीब है because I rarely find free time. So but जब भी मुझे फ्री टाइम मिलता है मैं सोना पसंद करता हूँ. I am a very kind of guy who likes to sleep because I want to give rest to my brain. And of course, I like to play with my son and my dog, and I like to spend life, a good time with my family itself.
So, which is your favorite travel destination if you were to travel?
Of course, India.
India, okay. Okay, now you are working as a real estate mogul in this country. Tell us, what are the 3 most important things that a real estate professional must have?
For me, the first thing which a real estate professional should have is the conceptual knowledge of the thing about which you are talking about. In-depth knowledge उसका आपको ज़रूरी है, होना चाहिए. The second thing, you should know about the financial system, because real estate is merged with financial system itself. You should know how to manage the funds. अगर आपको बैंकिंग सपोर्ट चाहिए, आपको फंड हाउसेस सपोर्ट चाहिए, आपको कुछ और सपोर्ट चाहिए, तो यू शुड नो कि ये पॉसिबल है या नहीं. सिर्फ ये जानना कि ये एसेट अच्छा है या नहीं, इट इज़ नॉट एनफ. एंड थर्ड थिंग, most important thing, when recommending anything to anyone, you should have a clear idea whether there is an exit model in that asset or not. घर बेचने से पहले ये पता होना चाहिए कि क्या हम घर बिकवा सकते हैं या नहीं. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज when you will convert a asset into a liquid asset, then definitely your investment makes sense at that time. So Bricks and Woods is very good in this thing. So we convert assets into liquid assets. आपको पैसा भी है आपके पास और आपके पास एक एसेट भी है जो आपको रिटर्न दे रहा है. तो ये 3 चीज़ें अगर आप जानते हो तो you don't need to find investors. So people will follow you.
Okay, now moving on to rapid fire, we have a few more questions जो कि आपके बारे में हैं. सबसे पहला, favorite घर का खाना?
दाल चावल.
दाल चावल. How many cars do you own today?
21 cars I have.
21 cars?
जी. So I took 16 years to get my first cycle. और दुबई आने के बाद 2 साल में I got 21 cars.
One for each day of the month?
Not like, so I used to use only one car, and that's my favorite car. But yes, so because it's a need of the business, so we do have multiple cars.
Okay, first phone you ever owned?
सबको पता है, मतलब एक नोकिया का छोटू सा फ़ोन होता था, वही मेरा पहला फ़ोन था. I still remember the model of that. It is called 3301, Nokia 3301. So that was my first phone, and I still miss that phone.
Interesting. Vivek Oberoi is a partner in your company. Vivek Oberoi in Bollywood or Bricks and Woods?
Of course, Bricks and Woods.
Okay. Should we buy or rent?
See, basically we should buy, and if we are not able to use it, we should get it rented out.
What is the most important part UAE plays in growing up the businesses?
So the most important part about UAE is the system. The federal system here is very, very clear and the most supportive in a manner. The government system is very supportive here. The banking system is very matured here. शायद दुबई एक ऐसा सिटी है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ एकमात्र ऐसा सिटी है जिसमें 200 देशों के लोग रहते हैं. So definitely you will find a lot of diversification here. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको दुबई में मिल सकती है वो आपको कहीं और नहीं मिल सकती. एंड वन मोर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दुबई आपको देता है और उस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की कॉस्ट जो दुबई आपसे लेता है, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि वो आज भी 20% है. बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वट दुबई इज हैविंग, द रियल एस्टेट प्राइजेज आर नॉट एज पर दैट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. इवेंचुअली इट विल गो एंड मैच अप टू द प्राइसेज ऑफ लंडन, न्यूयॉर्क और मोनाको. सो दुबई में अभी बहुत पोटेंशियल बाकी है. मेरे हिसाब से दुबई में आने वाले 20 साल स्पेसिफिकली रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Any advice you would like to give to the young ones?
If your dreams are big, you should learn how to take risks. If you will keep yourself in the comfortable positions all the time, I'm sorry to say, but you will go nowhere. So risk लेना सीखो, अपने आप को expose करना सीखो, and definitely the destiny will follow you.
I can add one more thing to your life is that आप सिर्फ मोगल ऑफ मरजान आइलैंड्स नहीं है, आप मोगल ऑफ मोटिवेशन भी हैं.
So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये एक और बिजनेस है जो मैं कर सकता हूँ.
Definitely. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure to have you on the show
Pleasure
today.
is all mine, Shruti. Thank you so much.
So this brings us to the end of today's episode. It was with Mr. Ankur Agarwal, and today we understood that real estate is the real deal. Start dealing in it. With this, it's a wrap on this show. We will see you again next week on Icons of the UAE. Until next time, stay inspired, stay iconic.
शुरुआत के बारे में अगर आप थोड़ा सा बात कर सकें और कैसे उसने शेप किया आज के आपको.
Yeah, definitely. So basically, I'm a chartered accountant. I qualified in 2011, and like my life was very struggling in the initial days. But when I came to UAE like 4 years back, so it was never in my mind to be part of real estate journey in UAE. But destiny took me here, and I'm very thankful to my destiny. I took my experience of chartered accountancy and the financial structuring in which we are very much capable of making things possible from impossible. So I put this whole system into the real estate, and we started doing something which was very unique, and we are actually showing us dream to the people who are having very little money, and these people can be a developer also. So if you are coming to Dubai, you don't need to be just an investor, you can be a developer as well. So you can multiply your money many folds, and that's exactly what Bricks and Woods has done. So exactly as you can saw in the video, from capital of zero, literally 0 dirhams, to empire of 13 billion dirhams, we did that in 2 years. Thanks to my partner Amit, my lovely wife Shilpa, and of course my team. So
तो आपके सिर्फ बाल शाहरुख की तरह है या आप उनकी तरह कुछ करते भी हैं?
of course, so I could not ask you to play music, but if you want me, so I can do that. Thank you so much.